How fast can you measure the entire pile? With V700S SLAM RTK, faster than you think. Hello everyone, here's Alan for Hi-Target. Today I will show you how to use the V700S SLAM RTK to calculate the huge earthwork behind me in real time. Now let's begin.
First, connect the V700S by Wi-Fi. After setting the rover and obtaining RTK fix solution, not essential if post-process is not needed. Tap SLAM and create a new point cloud scanning task. You can edit the task name and other details if you need. Then tap OK to enter the SLAM scanning job. Tap Start icon. Wait a few seconds for initialization. Then start scanning the earthwork pile. During scanning, be sure to cover the entire earthwork area, including the top and edges, to ensure accurate data for subsequent calculations. Once the scan is completed, tap Stop to save the point cloud data. Then tap the volume calculation icon and define the calculated area by adding points on the ground. When selecting points, observe them from multiple angle view to ensure they are located at a horizontal surface but not in the mid-air, which will affect the calculation results. We can also set the elevation range of the earthwork using the right slider. The cut-off field volume will be calculated to a specified reference elevation, which is 9 meters here. Tap Result to complete the volume calculation. You can then export the result data to the desired folder.
That's it for the real-time volume calculation function with the V700S SLAM RTK. Follow us to unlock more practical surveying skills.